Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Hello there. In this video, I will explain how to learn Python web development, an easy guide to get you started. First, ensure you have Python installed. Version 3.8 or newer is recommended. Next, set up your coding space with a reliable text editor such as Visual Studio Code. Then dive into Python's core syntax, mastering concepts like variables, conditional statements, and functions. This foundational knowledge is crucial for building any web application, setting you up for success in your development journey. Once you have a solid grasp of Python basics, it's time to explore web frameworks. Consider starting with Flask for its simplicity or Django for its comprehensive features. Simultaneously, learn the front-end essentials: HTML for structure, CSS for styling, and JavaScript for interactivity. These three technologies are the backbone of any user interface. Practice building small projects, like a basic contact form or a simple image gallery, to apply your new skills effectively. Now, let's talk about data. Databases are essential for storing information in your web applications. Popular choices include PostgreSQL for robust projects or SQLite for simpler ones. You will learn how to connect your Python application to these databases to store and retrieve data efficiently. Additionally, understanding application programming interfaces, or APIs, is key. You will learn to build your own APIs to allow different parts of your application, or even other services, to communicate seamlessly. Finally, it's time to share your creations with the world. Learn to deploy your web applications using platforms such as Heroku or Vercel. This step brings your code to life on the internet. Remember, consistent practice is vital. Keep building small, focused projects to reinforce your knowledge. Engage with online communities and forums. They offer invaluable support, insights, and opportunities to collaborate with fellow developers. Happy coding!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.